Welcome back, everyone, to another Leal Legacy Classic Cartoon Commentary. Today we're hanging out with Scrappy. I just love that his name is Scrappy. I don't know, it tickles me. In Sassy Cats from 1933, January 25th, 1933, to be precise. Directed and written by Dick Huemer. Oh, that's a cool little perspective. The change in angle on that fence that the cat was walking. I like when they do interesting things like that. Bringing a kind of 3D space to the OG 2D classic cartoons. Pretty fascinating. But sort of drawn out, you know? We got it. We understand your level of illustration, your skills. We didn't need 7 times of that fence switching. Was the other one saying come out? And this one's saying it can't open the window? I don't... I guess I'm into it. It's creative. I don't know. Kind of felt like it was a little annoying, but... Oh, man. Busted by the moon. I want to go out. Oh, and weird.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. I don't like this, I don't think. This is...
Well, if you gotta go, you gotta go.
See, the bird sounds completely normal speaking. I'm not into the cat speak. Because I feel like cats relentlessly meowing is already pretty annoying. And then on top of that, hiding English words in there. You know, Scrappy doesn't sound like a kid. And is Scrappy living by himself? Isn't he supposed to be like 11 or something? Alright, here we go. Little Pepe Le Pew action there. Or Gomez from the Addams Family. Uh-oh. She blew the whistle on that. No. We're not taking it. This is getting weird. I don't like anything about this. Except that was really funny. Oh. It's not like it's his fault. Wow. Shooting acid in his face? Okay. Watching cats spit in each other's face is pretty entertaining. Okay, this is taking a turn. So, which one is the sassy cat? I guess it's the feminine feline causing wow, it's an arsenal of shoes. Why do you have so many shoes, Scrappy? And you realize you're just gonna have to go pick them all up in the morning or afternoon. Well, whenever you want. But regardless, you're gonna have to go out and pick them up. That was unnecessary. This is yeah, she is definitely the sassy cat. Oh, this is awful. And this house is way bigger than it looked. So Scrappy just has a door to the backyard from his room. Oh, that milk is ruined. What is it? It doesn't look like it says milk. It looks like it says mook. Was it mook? What is happening here? What was the point of smashing the egg and putting a little drop in the pan? I don't get that. Was it just the yolk? Oh, he's gonna make a fish sandwich. Well, now your bread's ruined. There's a lot of face spitting in this. You know, For that being soggy bread, his bite made no damage to it at all. It should be just falling apart. You know what else is falling apart? The realism of this cartoon. I don't know why I was getting so nitpicky on the bread not disintegrating. It's a cartoon. Oh yeah, cats hate vacuums. Oh, I thought it was going to scare him. No, he's actually just sucking him up into a bag. What is he going to do with the bag? Oh! Well, you have claws, homie. You should have just dug him into the hardwood. I would have made Scrap. What's he? He's upstairs now? Was he always upstairs? I could have sworn he was ground level. And where's the closet? Didn't he have a closet? Oh no, Scrappy. Don't admit defeat like that. On the fence? That doesn't seem comfortable. That seems less comfortable than the ground. Hey. Another kind of alright Scrappy cartoon. You know, Scrappy, it's a cartoon. To me, there's nothing about it that just like shouts or screams anything unique or different or fascinating. It's just a cartoon. It's a time filler. It was all right. LealLegacy.com, folks. Come on over to LealLegacy.com and listen to my podcast, Leal Legacy's Radnarok, where I have embarked on a quest to provide commentary watch-alongs to all the Disney classic animated films. So far, we've made it through Snow White to Fantasia, and we're still going. You can find that podcast across all your favorite podcast platforms. While you're at LealLegacy.com, why not check out our store, our Skeleton Crew store. Skeleton Crew is our Leal Legacy lifestyle brand for freaks, geeks, and monsters. Streetwear, apparel, featuring designs digitally crafted by me. Thanks as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, and hitting the ding-dong notification bell to be notified anytime a new classic commentary, cartoon commentary goes up. Man, I lost my motivation here. I don't know. Scrappy took it out of me, I guess. Either way, thanks for being a friend and telling a friend. See ya.